News Live 10 at 10 continues with no wait weather.
Well, it's a good day to stay hydrated, whether it's at a Kool-Aid stand or running through a sprinkler.
Hard to escape the heat out there.
Yeah, it was hot, not quite as muggy as yesterday, but it looks like some of that muggy returns in the near future. Here is a look outdoors right now as we look to the northern sky. There is, by the way, a chance of northern lights tonight as our indices are a little bit high. The sun, an active spot, and that energy heading towards our atmosphere will cause a chance for some northern lights. And there are clear skies in Fargo right now. We're still 72 degrees, the wind calm. Dew points in the 50s for now, and that's pretty comfortable. As we take a look up north, some low 60s in Roseau, 69 in Thief River Falls, and 64 in Langdon, Jamestown. You're at 69 degrees. That's the same reading we have in Sisseton, and a pair of 72s out in Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls this hour. Throughout the day today, we saw our dew points. That's that temperature we have to cool the air to for clouds and dew to form, if you will. Very dry across the Dakotas, 30s at times in Williston today. Now it's in the 50s. All of that real soggy air we've been contending with the last several days has shifted down into southern Minnesota. But as the forecast shows, we're going to see a change in wind direction, and some of that moisture will be heading our way. A few thunderstorms tonight on the radar way out to the west, but that's about it when we look upwind from us. Just the Rocky Mountains of Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado seeing thunder shower activity. Very quiet and mostly clear tonight as we go through the overnight hours. I anticipate temperatures to slip down into the 60s for most locations, and maybe briefly the 50s. But by morning, that southerly wind will return. Remember, that moist air is just in southern Minnesota. It doesn't have that long to ride to get back up into the valley. So as we go through the midday hours, it will become a little more muggy as we go through the day, and temperatures already in the midday hour into the 80s, well into the 80s for many of our southern counties. In fact, our model saying already 91 in Fargo. As we take a look at the afternoon temperatures, we'll be in those low 90s, maybe a mid 90 or two. South winds get gusty at times to 30 miles per hour or better. And in the afternoon, out to the west, a cold front will be approaching. This one a little more punch to it than the last one, thanks to some even colder air heading our way. Along that cold front's boundary, we'll start to see some development of thunderstorms in the mid-afternoon hours out west, and this will push eastward into the northern valley by, say, 6 to 8 o'clock. And then as we head towards 10, it will be pushing off into Lakes Country in the Fargo area in the southern portion of North Dakota. Overnight, it does look like it will quickly skedaddle. A few of those storms could be strong to severe, and we'll stand watch and keep our eyes on the skies for you. Here is a look at temperatures to start your day. Mid-60s, south winds getting a little breezy at times. Temperatures soaring up into the 90s. Our best chance of thunder and lightning in the Fargo area will be around that 8 to 10 o'clock hour, and maybe about that same time for Lakes Country. We'll keep you updated. If you happen to be out at WeFest, keep that in mind. A 91-degree afternoon in Grand Forks. Gusty winds from the south, and 90 in Jamestown. 87 for the Detroit Lakes area, and Roseau also a toasty 87 degrees with a good chance of nighttime storms. Does look like a beautiful photo was uploaded at valleynewslive.com. Tim capturing this storm approaching, a nice shelf cloud there, and look at the refreshing air. As we head into the day on Thursday, even Friday, we stay very mild, quiet, and dry into Saturday with only an isolated thunder shower. Sunday looks pretty good. So if you are camping or out at WeFest, it looks like tomorrow will be the big hurdle. After that, some refreshing air.
Good. They could use it out there, right?
I believe so.
Thanks, Hutch.
New research may have come up with a solution for insomnia, one with no side effects. Details coming up later on Valley News Live 10 at 10.
Up next, meet a mighty good dog that's very important to his owner's health.